Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can verify your email on Bungie.net. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, here you can see I have recently opened my Bungie.net account and I have not yet verified my email address. So in order to do that, here all you need to do is simply open your email inbox. So simply open a new tab and search for your email. And in here, you can see this is my Gmail inbox in here. And in here, you can see Bungie has sent me the verification link. So all you need to do is click on this link right here. And if you scroll down a bit, you can get the option of verified email address. Simply click on this option. And just like this, here you can see we have now successfully verified our email address on Bungie.net account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.